I'm Emily Henry. I'm a singer, songwriter, musician, and I cannot recommend Ari's Take Academy enough. I started taking the live streaming for musicians course about 4 or 5 months ago, and I can officially say that my full-time income comes now from live streaming, which I didn't really know was possible. I had not live streamed at all before I took this course. I learned everything that I needed to know in a really short period of time and felt confident enough to start streaming within about a week. And it's been so wildly successful that I kind of can't believe it. I would not know how to do this without what I learned in this course and without the continuing support that I get from the teachers of the course and from my classmates in the Facebook group, in the emails. The fact that I'm still being supported by Ari's Take Academy is huge. It's crucial. If you are thinking about taking this course, you should do it. This is the best decision I've made for my career in years. There are possibilities opening up for me that I never even knew were out there. And that is completely due to what I've learned and the support that I'm getting. I can't recommend it enough. I'm a fan for life. I'll be taking more courses, and I'm just really, really grateful for everything that Ari's Take Academy has given me in my career. Thank you.